after 12, meet and greet sa mga Santoyo Boys at siyempre, pasasalamat namin kay former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Okay? So, in 9:30 po, mag-start tayo. Sino ang Katoliko dito? Merong Iglesia. Merong Pentecostal.
Si Doc to, di ba? Si Doc.
Meron. Iba-iba kami. Pero alam namin, iisa ang Diyos namin. So, pinita tayo dito, mamaya-maya, magpasalamat tayo sa Ama, nabuhay pa tayo. Sino ang mga may hilingan dito? Ba't ilan bukas? Humihinga pa kayo? Sino ang may hilingan? Lahat tayo humihinga sila ngayon. Lahat ng Katoliko magpuhin sa Ama. Lahat ng Buddhist magpuhin sa Ama. Lahat ng Christian magpuhin. Hindi walang kasulat ko. Kasulat ko, lahat ng may hilinga magpuhin sa Ama. So, sabay-sabay tayo mamaya. Huwag natin isipin Kingdom of Jesus Christ dito, o kaya Iglesia ko dito, o kaya Katoliko. Wala tayo doon. Lahat tayo, tao, babae, lalaki, nangangailangan ng kaligtasan. Amen!
Ay po kayo sa live.
So, yung mga pagkakulit ko, mga bayong ninyo, mga timba na nasa harapan, makikita yan ng mga kamag-anak ninyo, baka mag-isip sila ng pauwi na kayo ng Pilipinas.
Sa balota, ha? Anong number yan?
Nakaruming ako.
Such a manufacturer holding his building was born with extremely good efforts to keep up the fighter. His father Jose and Maria in service, shared plenty of Mindanao, and adventurous journey that though full of promises was fraught with the danger of the unknown. Jose and Maria finally found their nest in a tropical
Thank you.
all in the Mediterranean. As interpreted as his Chinese prey, there the last and only child was born. Pastor Paul Kibuloy and Dr. Sapirul grew up with a people called Bakobos. The adventures were involved in possession of back to and from Mindanao, and then abandoned several times. Finally, Pastor Paul Kibuloy
Hi po kayo sa live, Leonard.
and high school education para pagkakataon. Thereafter, conversation lecture came to pass the whole Kibuloy's life. As he was called to a vocation, not of his own choosing, but he divinely appointed one. Bible school, not secular school as he dreamt of, is the place where he learned that after life is not our own, but God who directs it, ushered into the ministry after his Bible training, and as an evangelist to churches in the Philippines. down their properties in the passage and solar visit the countryside. That's where people can live in some conditions, as we also experience growing up, but still have to share whatever needs they have.
Okay.
This totally will
Stop,
matter.
stop. May nawalan ng bag. So mindful tayo sa mga bag natin. Kung natin ihiwalay sa akin, sino may nakakita ng bag na pula? Doon lang ka sa buwan na sa taas. Ayan o. Ayan. Taas daw.
Hindi nag-aapon.
Yung chunk daw ng bread lang.
Sa wifi po, sa wifi.
Dito tayo.
Kahapon pa yun wala.
Pero may kita. So, paalala.
Dapat tibag natin.
Ihiwalay sa inyo.
Lock po dito. Tapos tayo. Tapos makaboto. Sarado po, sarado.
Has God given to us all. That should Father Almighty bless God-given ministry that we will dedicate the work of His blessing to help the children and provide for them a home, education, food, clothing, shelter, protection, and loving care. Thus, the Children's Joy Foundation is born. It is born out of love to help and empower Filipino children who come from the poorest of the poor. This act of unselfish concern can spring the collective efforts of nation building. Pastor Paul's Eagle's heart is to help and be a partner of government in uplifting the plight of poor families with destitute children. A noble mission with a noble cause. Many countries, millions of poor children, countless packets of single meals, thousands of school supplies, hundreds of students' first scholarships, scores of CJF President homes for children were distributed in Bill 50 years. Hundreds of CJF volunteers from PJC spent hundreds of hours catering to the needs of these children. CJF are really a worldwide mission in tackling the PJC. The which the volunteers facilitated by much-needed help come from. It was Pastor Forrest Kimball's with the Shepherd heart. At the center of Love Mission for Kids in Need has much more to offer for kids advancement, most especially among the athletes. Education is provided as a useful tool to eradicate poverty, ignorance, and illiteracy among the most vulnerable of society's backyard.